see the carbon fiber pole vibrating in all this wind. Sometimes it gets caught up on the rail. I had to order an extension piece for it, and they're supposed to send it free of charge. This pole is the same length as the other one, but the other one stuck stuck straight out almost. This is on like a 45-degree angle, so we'll see what happens. I'll screw the extra piece in and get it out a little bit further. But this flag is heavy duty. It's unbelievably thick and strong. Look at this thing whip around, crazy.